So, continue kita. So, draw structures corresponding to the following ayupak names. So, again, drawing structures, I think diri ko niya i-include mga quizzes pang ilulay niya. But again, drawing is really good habit if you really want to know the compounds. Oo. Pero again, pwede ko igbutang iton counting. So again, you can count hangaran pala. Of course, you have to draw. Pero pwede dire mag-draw. I think nag-intestihan ko na din na kaya lahiya. And we will try. I will try ha. To count the carbons and hydrogens. Bisan carbon and hydrogen la. Ito lang nga duha. Nga may dakalangaran. So para bromochlorobenzene, I think your imagination will sharpen. So for a benzene, may daka ito for a benzene, may daka ito carbon nga tag-uro sa hydrogen. So actually, your benzene is C6H6. Diba? Sa benzene pala nga daan, may daka na unom ka carbon. So, chloro, meaning may naka-attach nimo for carbon anay. So, klaro, your carbon is 6. You have 6 carbons. Again, mapakianak ito mga quiz. How many carbons are there? Tas ngangara ng kulaya. And then your answer should be 6, of course. How about hydrogen? For a benzene, usually you start from there. Your benzene has 6 hydrogens. So kung nagbutang kita bromo, may kita nato duha ito ka bromo nga yung butang. So mamamainusanin duha ka substituent na nitrogen. So meaning there are only 4 hydrogen. So the answer is 4 hydrogen if you want to count the carbon and hydrogen. Okay? So we will draw bromochlorobenzene. So nakapara hiya, we will draw that benzene ring. Okay? Tapos may nimo lidong nala, and then that is the alternating double bond. So understood it yan, that is the alternating double bond kung baga mano-mano ang drawing. Pero resonance, that is a equal division of your somewhat electron distribution. Okay? So kung nakapara ra, meaning may distansya nga duha nga carbon, ani din nga duha. So God. So that is chloro, bromo, that is your bromo, and that is your chloro. Or it's either way around. So meaning, kung kumpletohon ta, may double bond nga da, may double bond nga da, may double bond nga da. So meaning, ini nga carbon, may pera na, 1, 2, 3. Kada carbon kida may tagtulo. Maliban ang carbon din ni. Ini ang carbon din ni, may daniya 1, 2, 3, 4. So meaning, ang mga carbon nga aada naka-attach sa nimo chlorine and bromine, kompleto na era, wala na era hydrogen. Diba? So, ini ang carbon nga, ini ang carbon. So, meaning, ini ang carbon, ini ang carbon, yan, ini ang carbon, may dapat nira tagusa nga hydrogen. So, really, if you will count the hydrogen, that would be a total of 4 hydrogen as predicted from here. Tapos, carbon, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there are 6 carbons. That's for benzene. Okay, so this is para bromochlorobenzene. How about letter B? Para bromotoluene. So, counting the carbon first. For carbon, sige, posanay, you count also. Dapat nag-answer ka manay before nag-answer. That's the best way if you're just looking at the videos. Posanay, so assuming na nag-post na ka mo, so for para bromotoluene, your toluene is a benzene and a CH3. So may dani mo 7 carbon. So I think 7 talaga carbon. Okay? Tapos for hydrogen, for your benzene, there are 6 hydrogen. 6 hydrogen, di ba? For benzene. Yan, nagbutang ka man ng bromo, ma-minus kayo 1 nga hydrogen. Kaya naging substituent imo, substituent niya. So, natibanan din ang hydrogen. So, there are only 5 hydrogen. Okay? And then, after that, may dapan nimo toluene. So actually, toluene, nag-iban ka pa din ng hydrogen. So another iban nga hydrogen, that would be minus 1 hydrogen for the toluene. That is a CH3. So that is 4 hydrogen. Kaya lang nga imo tuluin may dakat dida tulo nga hydrogen. Because your toluene is CH3 plus benzene. So plus 3 ka dida ka hydrogen. So all in all, you have 7 hydrogens. So that is the answer for hydrogens. How about for carbon? Amo na to 7 carbon. Okay? So that's how you count your carbon hydrogen hangaran la. And then we go to the drawing, of course, which is not usually included in the quiz or long quizzes and exams. Kaya direct magchichinikin mga drawing. Kita ko na lang ito kung maaram ka mo. Kung diri, ay yun na ito problema. Anyway, um, ay bahala ka mo kung basta pumasar gud la. Amo tiyo siring. Diba? Amo tiyo basta pumasar. Okay na. Kay bahin ka mo sa may ginimo ka mong chemist. Para bromotoluene, so may danimotoluene, that is actually a benzene ring. A benzene ring. And may danimo CH3. Okay, that is a toluene. And then bromotoluene, meaning naka-para. Meaning may danimo duha nga carbon nga skip before ka magbutangan imo bromo. So kung kakante mo again, just like kanina, ining mga carbon wala na hydrogen kaya may dani mo double bond din nga alternating, di ba? Alternating nga double bond. So meaning inya carbon, sorry, ADDD. I have to calling. Inya carbon may dani mo 1, 2, 3, 4. So kompleto na iya. Samantalang inya carbon may dani mo 1, 2, 3. So may dapat nimo tag-usa nga hydrogen din eh. Hydrogen, tag-usa nga hydrogen. So adi hydrogen. So total carbon, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. So that is 7 carbon. Hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3. That is 7 hydrogen. Okay? That is for bromotoluene. How about for metachloroaniline? Okay. So counting carbon for chloroaniline, aniline is a benzene with an NH2. Okay? So, originally, there are only 6 carbon. Kaya wala man ito iba dida. Aniline is benzene plus NH2. Tapos, chlorine naman ladayon. So, meaning there are 6 carbons for metachloroaniline. How about for hydrogen? For hydrogen, you start with 6 hydrogens. Tapos, minusan ni mo yan nakakabit nga chlorong aniline. I mean, aniline CH3. Aniline NH2. So, ma-minus kayo itong duha nga hydrogen for chloro and aniline. So, may dani mo 4 hydrogen. Pero, ani mo aniline, may dani mo duha nga hydrogen. So, plus 2 hydrogen from the aniline, meaning from the CH, from the NH2 for aniline. So, duha ito ira, meaning nga duha. So, there would be 6 hydrogens. Okay? So, we will draw. Metachloroaniline. So, drawing on tanit aniline. Aniline is orthometa. So, meta is madali mo separation nga usa nga carbon. Didit imo chlorine. Didit imo NH2. So, this would be carbon number 1, 2, and 3. So, that's actually 1, 3. So, kung butangan na nimo, again, this carbon here, kaya may dani mo double bond din ng alternating. So, adin na lang may mga hydrogen nga carbon. Okay? So, kung hindi na lang ang hydrogen may carbon, so iti mo hydrogen is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, may daduha, that would be 6 hydrogens. And how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, there would be 6 carbons. Again, you can answer the number of carbons and hydrogens without drawing. You can. Mas magmumulay ka lang mo na huna. And that is good. And that is better actually. Nga pag nakagunit yun na huna, labi ng mga compounds. Okay, that's a good. Mayot mo pa pag eskwela. Tutuduan niyo yung utok yung mga kanan. Okay, but anyway. How about for letter D, last one? 1-chloro-3,5-dimethyl benzene. So first, we have 2 methyl. San serianay ko pera ka carbon. So, at first, there would be 6 carbons. Tapos, may dani mo duha nga CH3 methyl. So, there would be 8 carbons total for 1-chloro-3,5-dimethyl benzene. How about hydrogen? You start from 6 hydrogens for benzene. Diba? Tapos, may dani mo, maminusan ni mo in tulo. Kay duha nga methyl nga usa nga chlorine. So minus 3 hydrogen kay imbis nga hydrogen nakakabit man nimo chloro nga nin methyl. So there will be only 3 hydrogen. Kaya lang ani mo methyl may datagtulo nga hydrogen. Takay kay may daman duha, so that would be 3 times 2. Sorry. Dimethyl. So duha nga methyl tagtulo ang hydrogen. So all in all that would be 6 hydrogen plus 3, that would be 9 hydrogen all throughout. So 8 carbon and 9 hydrogen. Okay, for 1 chloro 3,5 dimethyl benzene. And then we will draw. So ang ato na kita benzene ring, an alternating para klaro. So an alternating benzene double bond, and then mabutang kita 1 chloro. So this would be number 1, and then malakto kita 1 2 3 pakada kita. So this is methyl CH3 1 2 3 4 5 adi dito usa nga methyl CH3. So all in all, kunya po natin perang carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 carbon, di ba? And then an hydrogen adi may dapat di usa, again ini din waray na tira kay tag-upat na ito. Adi may dapat di usa, may dapat di usa. So may dani mo 1 2 3 plus may dani mo tulo di 6 plus may dani mo tulo. So there would be 9 hydrogens. Ganin 8 carbons. Okay? So kaya laya ha. And then drawing. So drawing di na ko ito bangin mag-quiz kita. Mga drawing la bangin. Pero makapit pag check bangin lot dire. Okay? So God bless.